We have a fantastic new house we want to show y'all. Where are we, Scott?
224 Mount Salus Road in Clinton.
Okay, and we are currently very far away from the front of that house. We wanted to show y'all how big the front yard is. One of my favorite things about this house. We're going to show you all around. Let's go! Okay, what do the people want to know?
List price $239,900.
For a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath in Clinton with a great yard.
0.85 acres.
Let us know if you want more details. Bye.
Bye.